Hey, stop by next place here, Executive Motors here in McMinnville today, and got some badass rides here. But he picked up a Hellcat, doing a little tuning on it, and we're gonna throw it on the dyno here, see how she sings there. They're fighting a little drivability this morning. It sounds like somebody had the wrong spark plugs in it. Had tapered seat plugs in it out of the Chevrolet. And these things take a compression washer on the plugs. So gonna throw it on the dyno here and see what it does.
It's allegedly got 1300 cc IDs in it, the injectors.
Wow.
But we'll see.
Right.
Auction.
Yeah. Come to auction. 2016, low 32,000 miles? 36,000 miles. Just did a little warm up here on it. Getting ready for it makes a full here in a little bit. Setting everything up. Checking everything up so it doesn't come sliding off the dyno. That wouldn't be good. Nice looking car. Sure like the Charger Hellcats. How high do you go? What make?
727.
Shit.
I said 730.
You're shit. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
I don't like 160 miles an hour. Huh?
Nick said let's grab a blue bottle and ghetto fog it. I don't think that's good. You were in what? You were in fifth?
Yeah.
And it's got how many?
727.
But 8 gears?
Yeah, it's 8 speed. Since I did it in lower gear. The horsepower is correct. I'm not wasting my spray.
What's the most you made on a stock one on here?
Auto or manual?
Same.
650-ish, 640-ish in fifth gear.
Well, that's why I say it only makes like 50 horsepower more than what's stock.
Maybe 80 more asphalt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay, one more pull. 734.
So it probably would have made 750 if the blower was cold.
That's what I say.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you mean the one that's missing paint off of it?
Yeah, what? We're not there. I haven't gone to O'Reilly's to get my can of paint yet.
I wonder if it would make any more power without this shitty air filter.
I'm not doing another pull.
With the loose air filter?
Straps are a little sketchy.
Pull your air filter.
That's cool.
Look how much dirt is in that.
There's none.
Look at it right here.
No? It's all lot. Except like 15 years. Not how that works. Yeah?
It also looks like a, O'Reilly special. Here.
You can put it on. I wonder how loud it is without that on there.
Okay, probably. But I mean, you go like actually looking at it and how dirty it is, then it probably won't pick up power.
Oh, well, good thing we're not doing any more pulls.
Yeah, let me go get a pop can and then to a bowl and I'll throw it in there and see what happens.
Yeah.
Metal chunks copying sauce. Well, it would just sound like a Honda at that one with all the tin noises. Maybe tighten.
It's still hot. That fits like crap.
Well, having the right spark plugs in there sure made it run a lot better, eh?
Yeah, this isn't an LSA out of a CTSV.
Yeah, right. The plugs that were in
This
it.
isn't a GM product? It looks like one.
Might as well be the bolt.
Oh.
There's that.
Oh. Oh.
See, if it was a Ford, it would have never had this problem.
Right.
You're right, it'd be total because the guys who drive Mustangs crash them. So the horsepower is right there, torque on the last two. So when I bought this car, it showed up with misfires, ran like complete shit. What's wrong with it? Is that shit fuel in it? Went put fuel in it. SIBO, thought it ran better, and then it would misfire and shake and sputter and stuff. And so I'm like, okay, whatever. And I'm like, maybe it's tuned for 85 because I bought the car with all the parts on it. So I went and put a bottle of VP octane shit in the unleaded stuff. And what's funny is it did run better, but it didn't run exactly how it should have. So I called Kurt, the guy who tuned Frank's car, and I'm like, this is what it's got on it. Can I send you the tune file that I read with HP? And he's like, yeah, go ahead. So I sent it to him, and he goes, looks like it's a 93 file. And I'm like, well, it's got over 93 for fuel in it because I put pumping a bottle of VP in it. And he goes, okay, do a log, and he sent me his channel list. So I went out and drove it and made sure it sputtered so they could see it on the log. And I sent it to him, and he goes, well, put a new set of plugs in it and do another log and send it back to me. I didn't even get to the log part because it fixed itself with new plugs.
Oh, really?
And I'll tell you why it fixed itself with new plugs. These are for your engine, not for that engine. Yeah, they're for an LS. Because those take the fresh sealed ones. So these like way down in there. I'm surprised the tip of it's still
Those
there.
are short. So they were way up in the head.
Short compared to
So what did we learn? What did I tell you? What did I tell you?
Apparently go on YouTube because I don't know how gas motors work.
That's good. That's the plugs that were in that Hellcat motor. It should have been a compression sleeve.
No, because I got the car and went for a drive. In the moment when it did actually run good, I punched it by the Kubota dealership and it did a rolling burnout and I let off. And I turned around on that median between northbound and southbound for coming to Lafayette. And I came back and I looked at my mirror and OSP's behind me. I'm all, oh, what the f this guy want? So then he lights me up. I pull over and that's when he pulls up and he goes, the reason I stopped you is because you had no plates on it. And I'm thinking, oh, okay. And then he's like, do you have a license? And I'm like, yeah, I also have an insurance card too. So then he walks back, he comes back up and He's all, what year is this car so I can make sure it matches the VIN number? And I'm all, well, that auction sticker right there on the windshield says 2016, so it's a 2016.
Nice.
He probably thought it was stolen because I was in a wife beater that day and the car was fucked.
You were in a white beater?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Yeah, and then he comes back up and goes, all right, well, just go back to your shop and, you know, try to find somewhere else to do this shit. And then he goes, by the way, it wasn't your no clicks that caught my attention, it was your rolling burnout you did past me. And I'm all, oh, I didn't see you, so I'm sorry.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lucky to give you a ticket.
Yeah, for sure.
Nope, that was like the 12th time I got pulled over this month.
Wow.
Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Well, yeah. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would, please hit that like button, and we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage.